Why is China buying record amounts of iron, ore, and coal in April 2026 while the rest of the world is slowing down? At Axivra, we're analyzing this through the lens of strategic resource security. China's Q1 2026 import surge isn't just about current production. It's a sophisticated supply chain play. By restocking after winter maintenance, Chinese steelmakers are securing raw materials ahead of anticipated infrastructure demand and potential trade disruptions. In finance, this is known as counter-cyclical positioning, buying when market sentiment is low to ensure industrial capacity later. For investors, tracking these commodity surges provides an early signal for global manufacturing cycles. When a superpower stockpiles, they're hedging against future inflation and supply shocks. At Axivra, we believe resource management is the foundation of national economic resilience. Understanding these patterns helps you identify which sectors will lead the next recovery. Subscribe to Axivra to follow the world's most critical supply chains.